My daughter recently had to have one of her headlights replaced, which made it really obvious that the other one was really yellow and made the whole car look bad. So we needed to find a way to clean that up. You can see that we did a really nice job getting it cleaned up. It's not perfect, but it looks really nice. So just kind of see how that looks there. So here's what we used. It's the Meguiars 2-step headlight restoration kit. Comes with the cleaning solution, which is the first step, and then 2 pads. And then there's also the headlight coating, which is the last step of it. Unfortunately, we didn't get to record doing the headlight of the car, but we want to show you this piece of plastic here, which is kind of faded out, and we're going to try this kit on it to see how it works. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get the cleaning solution and you want to shake the bottle, and then you want to go ahead and put just about 1/4 size of the cleaner on the pad. All right, that looks good. So you're going to go ahead and you're just going to go back and forth, and you're just going to keep rubbing until, the cream will actually start to dry a little bit. Just keep going back and forth. So this is step 1. The directions are on the back of the bottle, but that's just the cleaning solution. So after you've scrubbed for a while, go ahead and wipe it down with a dry cloth. You should see a frosted surface. And then you're going to take a damp cloth and you're really looking to see that it's clear. If it's clear, you're done. If not, then you need to do it again. All right, so we're not happy with it. We're going to go ahead and repeat the whole process. You can see how much is actually coming off, but it's not the same material as the headlights, so it is taking a little bit more effort. All right, now we're ready for the second step. We're going to go ahead and use the headlight coating, and we're going to go ahead and make sure that we shake this can up before we use it. And you can find the directions on the back of the can, and this is for the second step. Okay, so now you're ready to go ahead and start spraying, and you're basically going to spray across using a 50% overlap, and just go ahead and spray to cover the whole screen or surface that you're trying to cover. You're going to let it dry for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then you go ahead and apply a second coat. Now you can see, because this is not the same kind of plastic as the headlight, it's not coming out as perfectly as I'd like for it to come out to be able to show you on the video, but there definitely is a difference, and you can start to see the numbers where you couldn't before. Even though it didn't work as well on the plastic as I'd hoped, it worked really nice on the car, so I would definitely recommend this product. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.